Have.
Button.
Show me. Show me.
Button.
What's that?
Button.
Braden, what?
Button.
What do you have in your hand? What are you holding?
Button.
What's this?
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste? What else?
Blue.
Blue? Is there blue?
Yeah.
What else? What's in your hand?
Have a toothbrush.
Whose toothbrush?
Toothbrush.
Is it Mama's toothbrush?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Is it Braden's toothbrush?
Yeah.
Can you show me Braden's toothbrush? Show me Braden's toothbrush.
Yeah.
Which one is it?
Button toothbrush.
What about Tyler's toothbrush? Can you show me Tyler's?
Toothbrush.
Yeah, good. What are you watching?
Yes.
Sid?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Did you eat breakfast this morning? Tyler? What did you eat?
It is cool.
You like to eat at school?
Yeah.
What did you eat at school?
Cool.
School?
Yeah.
Did you have pancakes at school?
Yeah, cake.
Cake?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cake.
Okay. Where's Mama?
Mama.
Where is she?
And Mama should nap.
She's napping?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How about baby? How about Braden? Where's Braden?
But another.
Oh, okay. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Okay, smile.
Cheese.